Hello from Southport Model Boat Club.
When you think of a catamaran, you will probably think of this type of craft.
This is Fastcat. You have two catamarans named White Rider 1 and White Rider 2, leaving Portsmouth Harbour and travelling to Ryde Pier Head. The journey taking just 22 minutes. You will find a very spacious passenger lounge. The catamaran is much more stable than monohulls, making your 22-minute journey much more enjoyable. Passengers often ask who invented the catamaran. It was invented by the Austronesian peoples, which enabled their expansion to the islands of the Indian Pacific Oceans. What makes the catamaran different? A traditional sailboat is a monohull. In other words, it has only one hull around a heavy keel. A catamaran is balanced on two hulls. Catamarans typically feature two high-powered engines, making them faster than similar-sized boats. You can be flying across the waters, and with a better fuel efficiency traveling in a catamaran. Another question our younger passengers ask is, are catamarans more likely to sink? Catamarans have a very buoyant design that makes it almost impossible to sink. So come aboard next time you can travel on a catamaran ferry.